Hello, good morning, and welcome back sa ating mathematics tutorial. So for this morning, we're going to have another topic, and still we have in operation of rational algebraic expression, focusing on adding and subtracting similar rational algebraic expression. So let's continue and welcome to Mathematics 8, and here's our topic, adding and subtracting similar rational algebraic expression. So we have here the objective of this lesson. So in going through this lesson, you are expected to define similar rational algebraic expressions, and you can add and subtract similar rational algebraic expression at the end of this video or tutorial. So but before we're going to have our topic regarding adding and subtracting the similar rational, sorry. So let's have first a recall about adding and subtracting similar fractions. So it is necessary to recall uh, on how to add and subtract similar fractions, since it is the basic knowledge na pwede nating makuha or ma-apply sa ating topic. Okay, we have here three examples. We have 3 over 15, number 1, 3 over 15, and then 8 over 15. So, focus muna tayo sa number 1. So, as you can see, pag sinabi natin similar fraction, so they have similar denominator. Okay? So, similar ang kanilang denominator. As you can see, 15 and 15. So, kung ganito is, we're going to write their common denominator, which is 15. So, since it is plus, we're going to add this 2. Maging ganyan yan. 3 plus 8. Yan. So, 3 plus 8. So, we're going to add this one, 3 and 8. So, it gives us 11. And then over 15. So, that's it. So, 3 over 15 plus 8 over 15 is equal to 11 over 15. So, let's come to number 2. Number 2 is 7 over 24 minus 1 over 24. So still they have the same denominator. We're going to copy the denominator, which is 24. Yeah. And then we're going to subtract sa taas. We're going to combine first 7 minus 1. So 7 minus 1, that is 6. Okay, 6 over 24. Okay. So since 6 and 24 can be reduced to lowest term, we're going to reduce this one to lowest term. Okay. So by 6, ito ay magiging 6 divided by 6, magiging 1, and 24 divided by 6 is magiging 4. So 7 over 24 minus 1 over 24 is equal to 1/4. So the third one is we have three fractions. We have to operation, the minus, and then the add. So we're going to copy their common denominator, which is 6. And then let's combine their terms in the numerator. Yeah, plus 10. So next we're going to minus from left to right and then add from left to right. So first we're going to take the difference. So 1 minus 5, that is negative 4, plus 10. Okay, and then over 6. So equals magiging, since they have unlike sign, so i-minus mo natin yan. 10 minus 4, that is 6. And then fix the sign of the greater absolute value, which is 10, and then positive ang 10, kaya positive 6 yung sulat natin. Over 6. So we already know, or we know already in our previous grade level, that 6 over 6, even in elementary years, 6 over 6 is equal to 1. So therefore, 1 over 6 minus 5 over 6 plus 10 over 6 is equal to 1. Okay, next, let's go. Let's have the steps. Before we add and subtract rational algebraic expression, let's have first know the steps in adding and subtracting this expression. So number one, we're going to copy the common denominator. Since we deal with similar rational algebraic expression, we have their common denominator. And then number two, after we copy the denominator, we're going to combine like terms in the numerator. O, lahat ng terms sa numerator natin, i-combine natin if it is kung pagkaparehas sila. No? Then, number three, after we combine like terms, proceed to adding and subtracting the expression. Okay, this is the three steps on adding and subtracting similar rational algebraic expression. Next, we have some examples here. So example number one, we have 8p over 3 plus 5p over 3. So we have here 3 in our denominator. Parehas lang ng denominator, they are similar. So solution natin ito. So we're going to copy the common denominator which is 3. And then i-combine po natin ang mga term natin sa ating numerator. And after we combine, magiging ganito na ang ating kinalalabasan. So 8p plus 5p, it gives us 13p and then over 2. So ito yung magiging sagot natin. So ito lang po ha, kinopyan lang po natin yung common denominator nila and then proceed tayo either pag-add or pag-minus sa ating numerator and then we have now our answer. So next example, example number 2. So we have also here 2 as the common denominator. So ito yung solution natin. Yan. So as you can see, we combine the terms in the numerator, no? Combine mo natin yung mga term. And then after natin combine, punta na tayo sa mga tinatawag nating like terms. So since dalawa yung x natin, so pinagtabi na natin yung x natin, yan. And then the constant, pinagsama din natin ang mga constant. And after that, we're going to simplify. Proceed na tayo either pag plus or pag minus. Yan. So as you can see, so 8x plus 2x, so itong dalawa, ina natin itong dalawa, it gives us 10x. Okay? And then, since 3 is positive and 7 is negative, they are unlike sign. So that's why ima-minus po natin sila. 7 minus 3 is 4. So you can see 4. And fix or get the sign of the greater absolute value, which is 7. And then the sign of 7 is negative. Okay, that's why negative din ang ating sign dyan. Kaya meron tayong 10x minus 4. And then, don't forget over 2. Ilagay ang over 2. Huwag kalimutan yan. And after that, factor natin kung pwede natin ma-factor. So, since makita naman natin na 10 and 4, meron silang greatest common factor which is 2. Kaya, pinactor out natin yung greatest common factor ng dalawa. So, 10 divided by 2 is 5, and then x, then minus, then 4 divided by 2 is 2. Since may 2 tayo sa baba, and then meron tayong 2 sa taas, cancel po yan, dalawang yan. Yan. So, since na-cancel na po sila, ang natira na lang po ay yung sagot natin, which is 5x minus 2. So, ito yung sagot natin sa ating example number 2. Next. Example number 3. So we have here x squared plus 4 over 2x plus 4 plus 5x plus 2 over 2x plus 4. So same denominator. Here's the solution. So we copy the denominator. Yan, we copy the denominator, same denominator, and then we combine the terms in the numerator. Yan. After we combine the terms, punta naman tayo dito sa tinatawag nating like terms. Yan. Yan. Since yung x walang like term, so still x squared pa rin siya. And then 5x, and then 4 and 2 are the two constants. So, i-combine natin yung dalawang constant na yan. So, after that, we're going to simplify. No? So, 4 plus 2. So, 4 plus 2, kaya siya nagiging 6 dito sa huling parte ng ating trinomial sa numerator. So, after natin makita yung, o ma-simplify, ma-add, so, i-factor natin kung pwede siya ma-factor both numerators and the denominators. Ito yung tinatawag natin simplifying rational algebraic expression. So, simplify po natin by factoring. Ayan, we factor sa taas. So, x squared plus 5x plus 6, ang factor niya po ay x plus 2 and then x plus 3. So, sa baba naman, we can factor this out using greatest common factor. So, the common factor of 2 and 4 is 2. That's why nilabas natin ang 2. And then, after natin malabas ang 2, we're going to divide. So, 2x divided by 2 is x. And then, 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, yan. So, after this one, so, cancel out natin yung mga common term ng numerator at saka denominator. So, may x plus 2 sa taas, and then may x plus 2 sa baba. And then, ito ay magiging 1. And magiging 1. Yan. So, i-multiply natin ang 1 at saka x plus 3. So, natira x plus 3 and then 2 times 1 is 2. Ito yung magiging resulta niya. Yan. X plus 3 over x plus 2. Ito yung sagot po natin sa ating example number 3. Next, let's go to our example number 4. Example number 4 is x squared minus 2 over x minus 1 minus x over 1 minus x. So, here's the solution. Dito sa ating example, kung makikita natin, ang ating pangalawang fraction is kabaliktaran yung denominator sa nauna. So, gagawin natin is i-multiply natin siya sa negative 1 para magiging same sila ng denominator sa ating first fraction. Okay? So, yung 1 minus x, multiply natin yan sa negative 1. Yan. Negative 1 times 1, magiging negative 1 yan. And then, positive x. So, pag i-write natin, magiging ganyan yan. X minus 1. So, and then ito ay may magiging negative din. So, positive na yan, mamaya. So, yan na. And then, next, ito na yon. So, since atin ang nagawang pariha ang ating denominator, yung x sa taas is magiging negative yan. Kasi may nilabas tayong negative 1. Okay? So, nalabas na siya. So, kaya siya ng negative x. So, then we have the common denominator. And then, copy the common denominator. Yan. Kinopya natin ang common denominator. So, nagiging x minus 2, kopya ang x minus 2, minus negative x. Don't forget, negative ang x natin. And then, x minus 1. So, next slide natin is, yan. So, ito yung nagiging resulta. Multiply natin yung negative at saka negative. So, negative times negative, i-multiply po yan ha. Negative times negative, nagiging positive. Kaya, meron tayong positive x. So, yung iba, same pa rin. And after natin ma-simplify yan, i-arrange natin, from the descending order. From merong exponent na 2, hanggang sa 1, hanggang sa wala ng exponent. So, na-arrange na po siya. After natin ma-arrange, kung pwede siyang ma-factor, we're going to factor this out. So, factor natin sa taas. Okay. So, ang factor ng x squared plus x minus 2 is x plus 2 and x minus 1. And after this is we're going to cancel out the common. Just like sa simplifying rational algebraic expression natin. Yan. Ito magiging 1, magiging 1. So, x plus 2 times 1 is still x plus 2. And then, we have the answer which is x plus 2. So, ito yung answer natin sa ating example number 4. So, next we have example number 5. So, example number 5, we have 2x minus 3 over 3x squared plus x minus 2 minus negative x minus 1 over 3x squared plus x minus 2. So here's the solution. Yan. So, ang ginawa natin, copy the common denominator, which is 3x squared plus x minus 2. And then, combine natin sa taas. So, basta minus ang gagamitin natin. O subtract tayo, don't forget to put here the parenthesis kung negative yung unang number natin sa ating numerator sa pangalawang fraction. Okay, next. And after that, yan, simplify sa taas. So, distribute natin itong negative. Yan, negative times negative, kaya naging positive x yan. And then negative times negative 1, kaya siya nagiging positive 1. Okay po ba? And then after this one, simplify pa rin, combine like terms na po tayo. Ayan. So, combine natin ang like terms. So, we have 2x, and then x. And then the constant is negative 3 and positive 1. So, after natin ma-combine, simplify na po natin sila. So, since we have 2x plus x, so plus silang dalawa, kaya sila nagiging 3x. Ito naman, negative 3 plus 1, unlike sign. So, hindi sila parihan ng sign. So, ating ima-minus. 3 minus 1 is 2. And then, get the sign or fix the sign of the greater absolute value, which is 3. Kaya siya nagiging negative 2 kasi negative ang ating 3. And then, after that, factor out sa baba. Ang ginawa natin sa baba is ating i-factor, which is ito yung factor niya, 3x minus 2 and x plus 1. So, cancel natin after we factor, no? Wala namang ibang ma-factor dyan. So, cancel natin ang 3x minus 2 sa taas at saka 3x minus 2 sa baba. Ang natira is 1 and 1. So, sa taas, ang natira ay 1. Ang sa baba is, meron pa tayong natirang x plus 1. So, final answer natin is 1 over x plus 1. Okay. So, ito yung final answer natin. Okay, so that's it. Meron tayong 5 example na ating pag-aralan ngayon. Under ito sa ating adding and subtracting similar rational algebraic expression. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow my FB page account. Sir Jonel Baybayon Lukmayon, paki-follow lang po. And then don't forget also to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Meron tayong YouTube channel. Ang YouTube channel ko po ay Kuya Sir TV. So may mga tutorial din tayo iba doon. So you can watch and you can like and you can subscribe. So maraming salamat, and then see you sa next natin ng video. God bless.